Hello everyone, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens. The air conditioner is in the background for good reason. I left this thermometer on the table and it went up to about 115 degrees. It's slowly going to go back down to I think 108 today, 107 maybe. This video, Lulu's in the background eating grass again, of course. What else is new? So this will keep going down to about 107, 108. So let me show you why this is important. Let me put it down right now. Okay. So notice my garden. Do you see any shade cloth? Do you see any misters? And this is just the backyard. This has more shade. The front yard is all in shade. Not all, but a lot more shade than this. This is really hot over here where this, everybody remember I'm saying about the hot afternoon sun? How it goes into the patio? That's why I have this innovative trellis I made for the passion fruit. Because I need shade in here, and we cut back the trees, of course. We cut them down. But over here it's so hot. That's why there's trees along here to grow up to provide shade. So let me show you a few things. Okay, and as you know, many of you, God, Lulu, why you're eating Zaatar now? That's crazy. It's gonna burn your mouth. Okay, so oh, it's hot. Hold on. What was I saying? So plants that you're maybe worried about in this heat. Okay, let's say a lot of my subscribers and followers on Instagram are telling me what to do in this heat for their garden. Everybody's putting shade on their avocados and whatnot. As you can see, I do nothing. Because I mimicked for years and years. What, there's a train and an airplane at the same time? God. For years and years, I have been mimicking the forest. Not far from me is Yosemite, California, Yosemite National Park. It's hot up there too. But I'd love to be in that waterfall in the river right now, in those streams in the Yosemite. Ice, cold, snow melt. It's an amazing feeling. If you've never been there, you need to travel to Yosemite. I mimic nature. In Yosemite, there is no shade cloth. Yes, there's tons of tall trees, but still, there's blackberries and raspberries and animals in this heat as well. And there's a lot of open area because of all the fires we had and the drought that we had. There's a lot of open areas, but those open areas are now meadows because the soil is so rich, much like this. Let me swipe up some of these notifications. Hold on. Okay, comments and Instagram and everything else on the screen. So blueberries. No shade cloth. They're doing fine, not wilting. Let's see what else. Tamarillo. Not wilting, looking healthy. This is from Ecuador. Shouldn't be surviving here. It has no idea, you know, it's supposed to be warm and humid, and now it's dry and hot in California. It has no idea what to do. Looking healthy. Potted plants, not that interesting. The Adamoya, Cherimoya, Pawpaw, I don't know what it is now. Used to be a Cherimoya, now it could be a Adamoya. Rootstock is growing up. No, it's kind of a little sad, but no burnt. The new leaves still look fresh and nice, even though it has that brown tinge, but that's how it was a week ago as well, when it was nice and cool. What else would people get worried about? The rhubarb actually looks really well, but I watered this. Side note, I watered this heavily a while ago, so that's probably the reason why that's like that. All the peaches are really doing well. Babcock. I'm going to show you guys. Let me get through the bees here. I'm going to show you guys. Make sure this doesn't fall off for the bird detractant. Deterrent, excuse me. Look at all the peaches in here. Now imagine how much, and I hope it's all showing because it's too bright here, but there's at least 300 to 350 peaches on this tree. I'm caught up. It just keeps going and going and going. Maybe I go underneath and show you how much. As you can see right there. And now imagine the whole tree is like this, and I've thinned drastically, and it's still like that. Even that sickly looking, sorry again for the AC, but I have to keep it running for my family. Even the sickly looking tamarillo, still looking great, not wilting. What else? Asparagus doing really well. Armenian cucumber's doing well. Sapote is doing really well. Like I said in the previous, actually I haven't uploaded the video yet, but the yellowing of the sapotes is normal right now, but I will be uploading that video. It's just when they produce new growth, like you see here, see it's not burnt or wilting or anything. When they produce new growth, they shut off the old stuff. I'm almost ready, the plums. And there's the Vernon sapote. See, new growth is nice and upright, not wilting, not burning, not scorching. Man, it's hot. Okay. And the old leaves yellowing out. What else would you guys be worried about? Avocados. Here's the pumpkin. See all the pumpkins. Leaves are nice and upright. You know, no wilting leaves. You don't see any wilting leaves, do you? No, because it's in this area. Because we're going towards the avocado, where I put like 18 inches of wood chips. This area is probably about a foot of wood chips that decompose down to, I don't know, 6 inches deep after it decomposed. There's the pumpkin, one of them. There's 3 or 4, but I gotta prune them off sooner or later. There's Lulu. Alright, now the avocados. Avocados not under protection. Still nice and upright. No wilting. Even the newly planted one still doesn't look that bad. I see a little bit of wilting. A little bit, but not bad. Brand new leaves still look healthy. This is from the, I don't know what this was from. Bad example now, but this wasn't from the heat. I saw this a while ago and I was worried about it. Or is this a peach leaf? Maybe not. Oh wow, my phone. It's so hot out here, guys. I hope this is recording still. That my phone has lag from recording. Regardless, as you can see, not that bad. You know, still the young leaves are nice and upright. It's not doing that bad. Man, this phone is overheating. I gotta hurry up. So I'm gonna make it quick. Let me stand in the shade for a second. Oh man. So if you're in California, especially like Los Angeles, I think there were 103. Glendale was 99. San Diego was nearing 90. San Carlos, which is a suburb of San Francisco or San Mateo, that was 99. That's crazy. Monterey was 85. That's really hot too. Let's see how this video turns out, because there's a lot of lag on my video. I can't believe that. This is crazy. Anyways, I think I need to stop. You can see the raspberries are looking fine. Alright everyone, just showing you there's another tamarillo looking great. Mimic nature and things will survive as best they can. Happy gardening. Bye. Oh man, I gotta get inside.
Okay, like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching everyone.